morning student, I am Gagandeep Kaur. In last video I have discussed about what is present continuous tense. Today I am going to teach you what is present perfect tense. But before starting the present perfect tense, some students have doubt what is first person, second person and third person. So first of all I am going to clear that. So you can see three names, Ram, Shyam and Divya. Suppose Ram and Shyam in a room. If Ram is saying something to Shyam about Divya which is not present in this room, in this case Ram is the first person as he is the person who is speaking, like I or we. And Shyam is the second person as he is the person who is listening to Ram, like you. And Divya is the third person as he is the person, she is not present in this room while Ram and Shyam are talking. Okay, like he, she, it and they. Okay, Ram can be talked to Shyam like this. I am telling you that she is very intelligent. Okay, here I is Ram and you is Shyam and she is Divya. So I is first person, you is second person and she is third singular person. So I hope you clear what is first person, second person and third person. Now move to our topic, what is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to indicate a link between past or present, expressing an action begin into the past and recently completed or being continued in present. Format is subject, have, has, verb third form or object. We use has with third person singular subject like he, she, it. And for other we use have. For example, I have seen that movie. Here I is a singular subject but I is not a third person. So we use have here. And seen is verb third form, saw, see, saw, seen. And then object. Next, they have played football. Here they is a third person but they is not a singular person, they is plural. So we use have here. And played is verb third form, play, played, played. And then object. Now he has gone to university. Here he is singular subject and third person, so we use has here. And gone is verb third form, go, went, gone and then object. Okay, now move to negative sentences. In negative sentences format will be same, only one thing will be changed, that is we use not after has or have. Okay, for example, I have not seen that movie. So we use not after have. They have not played football. After have not. Okay. He has not gone to university. Here after has we use not. Now move to interrogative sentences. Format is have, has, subject, verb third form or object. For example, have I seen that movie? So after that we always put question mark. Have they played football? Question mark. Has he gone to university? Question mark. And now move to interrogative negative sentences. Format is have, has, subject, not, verb third form or object. For example, have I not seen that movie? We also put question mark after interrogative negative sentences. Next example, have they not played football? Question mark. Has he not gone to university? Question mark. So I hope you clear what is present perfect tense. In next video, I am going to teach you what is present perfect continuous tense. Thank you so much.